Hello, my name is John, and I've been a patient at Millennium Periodontics for 8 years. And in that 8 years, I've been blessed that I have found and made a journey with the staff from doctors on down at Millennium Periodontics. I was very regimented and disciplined with my regular dentist. Saw him for over 26 years of my life. And one day he said, "John, I need to refer you to a periodontist." It was April of 2020. And I started to notice that there was increased sensitivity and outright pain in the back left corner of my mouth. I evaluated it, practiced my dental discipline and my hygiene, but the pain was there, right? And it was getting worse. So April 2020, the pandemic was emerging, but I needed care. So I called Nina, I spoke to Monica, and Dr. Gadia called me. And she said, "John, we're gonna take care of you." She called me back with a plan, and the next day, I was in her office getting a full evaluation, and she introduced me to Dr. Shamoon.
John is a sociable person. It's important for him to have a really good smile, and that's something that he always told me. But what was most important for him was actually function. And given that we were taking out a tooth in the back, he just wanted to ensure that he can eat properly, that his teeth didn't shift. And I ensured John that with removal of this tooth that was compromised and placement of an implant, we could get his function back and we can ensure that his teeth don't shift. John is a patient that we here at Millennium Periodontics love. He loves to ask questions, and we love to provide him with the best answers possible, with research-backed answers.
Dr. Shamoon, fantastic. She takes the time, she has the care, she has the touch, and she walked me through my options. And one of the options was to get an implant. So there are professionals you encounter in life that can be detail-oriented, but when you get that caring touch on top of that, to the point where after she finishes a procedure, she will go through and show you exactly how to clean and how to maintain that area. And that is vital. It was challenging to get through it, but it has been great for not only my mouth, but my well-being. But here's what I have to say. I'm sitting in this chair for a reason, because Millennium Periodontics helps me. And I believe in them, and I trust them. And I give my wholehearted recommendation, referral, whatever technical term you want to use. But I'm here because this is a journey that I need to be on, and these are the folks that guide me on that journey.